To secure framed artwork, posters, photography, and signage to a wall, security T-screws are a popular hanging system for safety and preventing theft. This framing hardware is ideal for corporate offices, hotels, restaurants, schools, museums, and numerous public and private locations where security is a concern. The T-lock system is simple. For hanging a wood picture frame onto a wall, the hardware polybag contains one locking T-screw with wall anchor, 3 back frame brackets, 2 metal support brackets for the wall, anchors, and screws. A special security wrench key is required and sold separately. This tool is designed with a notch to lock and unlock the T-screw into place. If multiple frames need to be locked into place, hardware and bulk packages are available. Only one wrench key is needed. To install the wood picture frame, position the frame on the wall. Mark where the brackets should be located so they are evenly spaced along the top of the wood frame profile. This demo is shown with 2 inches marked from both ends of the frame. Insert and evenly space the 2 back metal brackets to the top part of the wood frame where it's marked. Add the 3rd metal bracket and center it to the bottom back of the wood frame. Measure the wood frame length and the distance between the 2 frame top brackets. Use this measurement to secure the 2 metal brackets to the wall using the 1-inch screws provided. Place the frame on the wall brackets. Make sure the frame is level. Adjust the brackets if needed. Find the center of the bottom of the frame and mark it. Remove the frame off the wall. To accurately position the T-screw so that it engages the bottom frame bracket, measure the distance from the top center of the wood frame down to the center of the bottom metal bracket. Take that measurement and mark the wall. Drill a hole on the mark. If drywall, insert the wall anchor. Insert the T-screw. Using the security wrench key, tighten until it protrudes 1/4 inch from the wall. Turn the T-shaped screw head parallel to the bottom frame channel. Place the picture frame back on the hanging brackets. The T-screw should fit into the bottom bracket. Using the wrench, reach behind the wood frame so that the notch engages the T-screw. Turn 90 degrees. This will lock the frame to the wall. Your wood picture frame is now secure.